Hello everyone and welcome to my channel again. So today we're going to continue modernizing the interior of my BMW, and for today's episode we'll take the rear deck and we will resurface it. I have some Alcantara here and we are going to replace the textile of the rear cover. As you can already see, my BMW is kind of halfway there. I don't have any rear seats right now, which is part of the thing you need to do in order to remove the rear cover. So today we're going to continue with that. As you can see, I'm already halfway there. I just need to remove the speakers and get the rear sunshade out. Since there's a lot of videos on how to get this out, I won't film it. I will just get it out and will guide you through the process of installing Alcantara. Hey guys, I removed the cover, like the deck. As you can see, it's starting to get purple. This is from the sun, and here I used to have a sign attached to my window for now it's a little more black, but from the sun it's starting to get yellow. It is all kinds of dirty, and it is regular textile fabric. So we're going to change all of that. First, let me remove the fabric. Well, last time I removed the deck and I stripped it out from the old material. This was very hard. It took me 1 week. I was scraping and trying with scissors and knives and like trying to spray it with different things, like with isopropyl alcohol, with what else did I try? A nail polish removal. Yeah, I tried different things, Adstone, nothing worked. It was just hard work removing all the material, and but now I'm here. It took multiple hours. I got a lot of help from my wife. We did it both, and now what we need to do is clean it up and apply the new material. So I just dusted it off, and I have prepared here my Alcantara material, a spray paint for the glue, a spray gun, and also the glue itself. I will also need a razor blade, and I will need isopropyl alcohol and a cloth to remove all of the oils from my fingers and all of the dust. So I'll first clean it up very good, and then I'm going to turn you on, and we are going to spray the glue and apply the Alcantara. Guys, it's cleaned. So first, make sure the spray pattern is good. Apply the glue, but don't apply too much. If you apply too much, it's going to soak the material and it's going to be a very bad experience. After that, just make sure you're quick. Don't let it sit too much, and apply the material directly on top. Tuck all of the edges so it doesn't have a way to unwind itself from the heat. Make sure it's stuck well, and start cutting on all the places you need to cut, for the speakers, for the sunshade, And pretty much that's the process. It's very easy. Just don't apply too much glue and be quick with it. At this point, just try all of the plastics if they fit, if they don't fit. If they don't fit, you have to cut the material. The edges should be tucked very good, and should not have a lot of material on the edges because they won't fit. Yeah, making the fit's not so hard, it just requires time and it's fiddly. Other than that, it's an easy job. Also, at this point, I decided to paint all of them, so that's what I'm doing over there on the truck. I'm just getting some spray paint, primer, painting them, and gloss black. Decided to paint them black just to fit the Alcantara, make the new appearance. All in all, it was very good at the end, but I haven't installed it yet. I haven't worked on the E60 much from then. I have other videos, but they're not involved with the interior. And that's pretty much it. Pretty much the entire project of wrapping the deck. It's very easy. I encourage everyone to DIY that. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next episode.